shut.
He's scared out of his mind right now. Let him out.
What's up? right here we got Buzz Lightyear.
Let's see.
Yeah, skinny legs, but top, big body.
You really gonna put gloves on to punch it?
Yeah, I'm trying to show all y'all how to punch.
Chris, are you recording?
You see Mike Tyson video?
Chris is the only black guy that doesn't know how to fight.
What? I'll prove you wrong right now. Watch. Do a little flu. Watch. Yeah. Ouch. Hurt.
Oh my God, Chris! When you see yourself,
Well, look at that, right?
when you see yourself on camera, you're like, ouch!
Oh, your turn. Let's show what you got.
What was that?
Oh. I ain't gonna fight Keith.
Hey, this was Chris.
Put on the kicking pad.
Come on, get in there.
Chris,
Chain, bro.
his whole life he has at least one hole in his sock.
Okay. Ooh, how you got up there? You got to the words.
Which way might be better for you?
My right foot. I'm right footed, but.
So you're better? Okay, so.
right footed.
Start, just do your right foot.
I'm right footed.
That's the thing. Shop key.
I'm right footed. What do you write with your foot?
Well, I write with my foot.
I see the footwork. Turn it. Okay, watch.
Chris, sit down before you hurt yourself.
Oh, no.
Not ever gonna fight.
What's going on, guys? Those are my two really good friends, Chris and Keith. We were just getting together to do a little podcast idea that we've been having for a while. Hopefully we'll be able to get that up to you soon. But yeah, let's get into this cut. I was having some difficulties with this one. The first time I ever done this design, but other than that, I was just having some technical issues with this. The camera stopped recording when I thought it was still going, so we start off here with the bald line and the one line already set. So I missed out on all that great hair being taken off, that great transitional footage. So pretty disappointed about that. But yeah, I mean the cut still came out pretty good. Happy about that at least. Yeah, let's just get right into it. So I already set my bald and my one line. I just dipped it in the back right there, and then I'm going around with my 1.5 open and just making that next level right into the darker hair. One line in the back right there. Dropped it down a little bit lower just because I wanted to give myself some room to, fade up. Because I know on him that I'm gonna have to, really blend that in right there in the back, So it ends up naturally kind of getting pushed up a little bit. I left it a little bit darker on this side than I normally would have, just because I knew I was going to be doing the design over here. I knew it was probably going to be a lot different anyways. And as you can see, my friend decided to cut his own hair. He did a little lineup right there. I don't want to follow what he did, obviously, since he's not a barber. So I'm just trying to set my own hairline, not trying to take it too far back to where he had it. I mean, he didn't do that bad though, but I mean, I guess he was trying to taper out. So yeah, he didn't do that bad, Anyways, so now I'm just doing the lineup. and hitting up his beard. Just he just wanted me to blend it in, fade it in a little bit, line it up, nothing crazy. So that's what I'm doing. Now the design's looking alright right now. I mean, still got a lot of work to do, but when I hit it with the razor, that's when it really comes to life. Yeah. You can see I'm just stretching the skin, just hitting it right up to that line. I was a little nervous that I didn't want to thicken it out too much, so I was being very cautious, making sure I stop at the same point. But you can already see how it's just bringing that design to life. I feel like in the middle part of that Z, I could have made it a little thicker. Yeah, I could have made it thicker. It still pulls it off, still does the job. I'm just making him a little beard line where it basically would be. I'm just shaping it up for him. So now I'm going back again, messing with that design, trying to make it look the best it possibly could. You know, it's just something not laying right there in my eyes. So just messing with this some more, trying to get any of the little hairs that are hanging over. Since I don't have a mirror here where I'm set up at, I'm using the monitor that I have. I got a little like 5-inch, what is it, Feel World monitor? But yeah, it's pretty good to be looking on. But yeah, I don't know what I was doing here. I ended up just stopping that and taking it out. I don't know what I was trying to do with that. Another line to it. I don't know. Trying to bring that blend up now in the back. Same over here, just hitting some of the darker spots of the hair, trying to fade that in, blend that in a little bit better into the top part. I didn't really know what I wanted to do with this in the back, so I'm just kind of blending that into the design. I didn't really like how it was I didn't like how dark it was looking in the back right there, so I wanted to blend that in. I'm just kind of messing with it right now, seeing how it looks. Granted, me and Chris Rose were talking a lot and stuff, but I mean, yeah, this definitely took me a good minute to get this in. So yeah, now I'm finally just working on the back of his head, blending in the darker part of the fade. I don't I gotta get like one of those sponges, you know. I don't have one of those. But actually, he was saying that he wants to do maybe waves next time, so maybe we can start to train his hair and do some cool videos, you know, some wave videos. That seems to be, you know, very popular. So we'll see if we can get that set up. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with that. It's my first time doing that, you know. I normally don't really do designs except for like, you know, simple line stuff. But yeah, this is still pretty simple line stuff. I mean, compared to, you know, some of the designs out there. It's like a whole nother level to this, you know. That's what I like about barbering. There's like, you can still keep on going, you know. Eventually I would like to get into more in-depth design stuff, so, you know, that might be in the future. But yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I have some more cuts that I've already filmed while at home. But actually, the shop's going to be opening up this coming Friday, May 8th. So we could do appointments again. So that should be cool. I should be getting a lot of videos coming up of people having quarantine transformation cuts. Yeah, I'll be filming Richie and Charlie, Jose, and everybody. And I'll be getting some more in. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. And thanks for watching.
I'm trying to say,
Chris,
Keith, go ahead.
where you be at? You like a coward.
Oh,
Wearing this Marvel shirt? What's your superpower?
I'm Keith. You back, bro?